Had a few people ask about the air conditioner at this house, so here's a quick video of it before I leave. It is the American Standard Silver Series. This replaced an older Rheem scroll inside unit, which was much better quality. This one is also a scroll. These things are cheap junk. I look at the fan blade, isn't even balanced right. It's just some cheap Chinese motor. There it is. It's got the spine fin coils, which is kind of cool, I guess, but a little bit of a pain to clean. And it looks like they could, starting to get to the point where they could use a cleaning. It's from 2018. It's 410. Assembled but made in China. Assembled in America but made in China. Still made by English Squirrel Rand. They have been for a while. What's the? This is probably got to be a 2 or 3 ton, I would guess. Let's see. I don't know how to decrypt it. Probably can be decrypted in the model number somewhere. I don't pay attention to these newer units. I don't know how to decrypt the number. Anyways, there's that.